Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back. Welcome back. Before we get started, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything that I post. Your girl is back and it's for real this time. It's for real. It is for real. Y'all are probably wondering, where have I been? And as you can see, I'm in a new space. I moved. I have been moving. It has been a process. If you ever move in your adult life, it is just, it can be crazy because you have so much stuff. It's so funny though. I had just moved. We had moved right before Kyrie was born to a different place, and then we were at the place that we were at for 2 years, and then we got this new space. And you would think it would be so easy to move with a kid who's only 2, but it was just, you accumulate so much things over the years between Kyrie's first 2 years and just Colin and I. We had to organize, and you know how it is. And then moving during a pandemic is different because we had to wait on deliveries and everything's on back order. So we are settling in slowly but surely, and I just want to just let you guys know I manifested our dream home, our dream apartment. So I'll probably do a video on that pretty soon, and I'll do a full tour and just give you guys the goods of where I've been. So I didn't forget about you guys. I didn't forget about y'all. I just been trying to settle into this moving thing, and in between all of that, of course, I'm still working from home. Kyrie's still doing virtual daycare, and Colin's back at work, so I'm just trying to juggle everything, which it's been a fun new experience. So I'm back. I'm just so excited to be back, to be recording, to be on the camera again. Your girl's back. So for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. For those of you who have been so supportive since day one, hey, I see y'all. I want to just kind of come on and say hey. It's now April of 2021. I am going to be full on in record mode. I got a new camera, so I'm excited about that. And I have just so many ideas for the transition of this channel. It'll still be just everyday life as a naturalista mama, whatever that means to me, what it means to you. You're gonna be seeing some vlogs, maybe some tutorials. I don't know. I'm gonna just be I think this time around I'm gonna just go with the flow, have fun. Yes, I'm gonna plan, but I'm not gonna really stress myself on it. I just want to give you guys some of what I know, what I enjoy. You'll see a lot more Kyrie. Now he's a lot more just active and chatty and just learning so much. So I want to share that whole journey. You'll see us going on some. I just love doing like mini, day trips on the weekends and potty training and teaching him how to cook, learning how to adjust to his new toddler needs, and working from home. Did I mention that? I have to work from home? Yeah. So just giving you guys all of that. I am back this time. I'm for real. I am for real. It was just right. It's crazy because right when I started, I know last time I told me it was Vlogmas, and the last time I told me it was Vlogmas, and right in the middle of just the recording of it, I found out about I got a new place. So it was just, yeah, I could have vlogged it, but it was just crazy. When you think you all right, I'm gonna bring my camera with me, when we go on this mission, and then you just be thinking, and then so, but I'm finally here. And and I just want to I've been just creating like just mini goals of where I want to take this journey, and I'll be sharing along the way, of course, of just, you know, how it's going, and things like that. So please stay tuned. This is gonna be like a really just short re-intro video. You know, your girl's back. I'm just excited, and just I think I had to do this video just to kind of, it was like I was nervous again, you know, and like this was that get my feet wet video. So I hope you are really on the journey again with me. I am here to stay. I'm here to like just make it happen, show you what it is all about. So I will see you soon. I'll see you soon. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Come on, turn them on. Turn them on. And I'll see you next time. Bye.